G'day folks, look, we all know that dash cams like this one right here can save you thousands of dollars when it comes to insurance claims, but what's vitally important is that you get a dash cam that's not only got a good picture, but is reliable and not going to let you down when you need it most. Now this one right here is the iGoCam 85R from Uniden. And I'm going to pop him back on the windscreen and then explain to you why this is the ultimate in dash cam technology. Have a look how clear the footage is from it. That's because it shoots in Ultra 4K video. It has a 160-degree wide view, and wide dynamic range actually optimises the colour input if it's a bright, harsh day or night time. You'll capture everything in optimum quality. It also comes with a rear camera shooting in full HD. You can capture anything that happens behind you as well, and you can also use it as a reversing camera. This smart dash cam can even alert you of speed and red light cameras, giving you protection to ensure you are travelling at the right speed and won't pick up any tickets. For those that are worried about parking their rig in a car park, there is a park mode feature which can be enabled with an optional hardwire kit, allowing you to record while you are away from the vehicle. The iGoCam can actually hook up to your smartphone through Wi-Fi, meaning you can easily record and store footage straight to your phone. How easy is that? Now, the iGoCam 85R is powered by a supercapacitor, providing a longer lifespan and wider range of operating temperatures than traditional lithium-ion batteries, making it better suited to harsh Australian conditions. It also provides enough backup power to ensure any recording in progress is stored safely before shutting the camera off. Well, there you go. As you can see, fantastic picture quality. You got front and rear cameras, super reliable, and given that these little bad boys can save you thousands of dollars, it really is worth investing in, and you can see why the iGoCam 85R is the ultimate in dash cam technology. Can you afford not to own one? For more information, head to uniden.com.au.